The sum of any two whole numbers is a whole number. This property of whole numbers is referred to as closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property. Answer వచ్చేసి closure property. Which of the following statements regarding mathematics teaching learning is incorrect? Mathematical learning is a social process involving dialogue. Culture and context has no role in constructing mathematical knowledge. Mathematical knowledge can be created in primary class students through observation of pattern and generalizations. Argumentation and negotiation play an important role in creating mathematical knowledge. Answer వచ్చేసి argumentation and negotiation play an important role in creating mathematical knowledge. Which of the following statements is or are true regarding teaching numbers at primary level? Intuitive understanding of numbers should be encouraged. Writing numbers should be taught in sequence. Writing of numbers as numerals should precede counting. Order irrelevance of numbers should be encouraged. Answer వచ్చేసి 3 A and D. 49th question. Which of the following is most important aspect of teaching of mathematics at primary level? Making mathematics part of children's life experiences, developing rigor in calculations, preparing for higher education and employment, promoting and preparing for technology. Answer వచ్చేసి first one, making mathematics part of children's life experiences. 50th question. Which of the following activities is most likely to develop spatial reasoning among students? Identifying patterns in a number chart, solving Sudoku puzzles, identifying tessellating figures, drawing bar graphs to represent data. Answer వచ్చేసి identifying tessellating figures. Which of the following is most suitable for children? The concept for teaching children the concepts of fractions. Abacus, geoboards, number charts, Cuisenaire rods. Answer వచ్చేసి Cuisenaire rods. Which of the following statements is not correct with regard to nature of mathematics? Argumentation skill is important in construction of mathematical knowledge. Mathematical concepts are hierarchical in nature. Primary level mathematics is concrete and does not require abstraction. Mathematics uses special vocabulary to communicate ideas precisely. Answer వచ్చేసి first one. 53rd question. In which of the following statements number 3 is used in ordinal sense? I live on 3rd floor of this building. This house has 3 rooms. All groups have 3 team members. This box contains many set of 3 pencils. Answer వచ్చేసి first one. I live on the 3rd floor of this building. Identify the correct statement. If 2 figures have same area, their perimeters are equal. If 2 figures have same perimeter, their areas equal. The units of perimeter and area are same. The shape of figure determines the perimeter. Answer వచ్చేసి fourth option. The shape of figure determines the perimeter. Identify the correct statement with respect to the mathematics curriculum. The foundation of algebraic thinking can be laid at primary level. The concept of fractions should be introduced only at upper primary level. The concept of negative numbers should be introduced at primary level for better understanding. The concept of area measurement should be introduced only at upper primary level. Answer వచ్చేసి third. Identify the correct statement with regard to introducing the concept of triangles at primary level. Definition of a triangle should be provided first. Children should only be exposed to equilateral triangles to avoid confusion. Children should be exposed to triangles of all types, but exposure to other figures should be avoided. children should be exposed to triangles of all types and also other figures. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఫోర్త్ వన్. In a division sum, the divisor is 5 times the quotient and twice the remainder. If the remainder is 5, what is the number? 52, 15, 25, 48. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి 25. The sum of 5 consecutive numbers is 20. Find the sum of first 3 consecutive numbers. 5, 9, 11, 12. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి 9. A wire is in the form of a square, encloses an area of 144 cm square. How much area is enclosed if the same wire is bent in the form of a rectangle of length 16 cm? Options: 124 cm square, 48 cm square, 128 cm square, 96 cm square. Answer వచ్చేసి 128 cm square. Last question. Amongst the following fractions, the largest and second largest fractions respectively are 5/6, 3/4, 1/2, 2/3, 3/5. Options: 5/6 and 3/4, 5/6 and 3/5, 3/5 and 2/3, 3/4 and 1/2. Answer వచ్చేసి 5/6 and 3/4.